Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to discuss about today MI flash sale. We all know that MI is celebrating its flash sale now, which starts from October 16 to 21 daily at the 4 p.m. Diwali holidays may only be near to the corner, but Xiaomi celebrates its Diwali with the fantastic sales and 1 rupee sales. Every year they sell as a part of the Diwali festival. They offer top quality mobile phones, TVs and other accessories for 1 rupee. Let's go straight into the objectives of the video. The main objectives are how to increase our chances to get participate, increase chances for the sale, and the role of extensions, which I am going to discuss now. So I am going to discuss the steps which you need to follow, which will increase your chances of luck. Generally, our system time settings are set into the international country standards. So we need to put it in our own country standards so that we can increase our chances. So first of all, we need to click on the taskbar settings on the right side top down and click on the adjust time and date option. After that, on the right corner, it shows add clocks for the different time zones. Right top side corner. Yeah. After that, window will open so that on the right side of the top third option, you can have a click on internet time and then you need to change the setting as a NIST.government throw for the Indian timings. Otherwise, it will be different option in the drop down. So you will update the system settings. This is the first step. So the second step is you need to install the extensions so that we can go to directly to the Chrome Web Store. As I'm searching for the extension, I will give it in the description. First one is auto buy flash sales. You need to install that extension, and second one is flip shoppy extension, which is most used by many users. You can install that one too. After installation, in the right side extension bar, it shows the extension in the menu bar. After that, you can log in into the flip shoppy account through your details, mail, phone number, etc. Once you will save, it will display in the top right side corner. There are many options related to price, offers, coupons, etc. You can go through that. Which are the deals are latest available? It shows on here. You can go through it. You can just see it. If you click any offer, it will redirect to this page. But before that, you need to have an MI account. You need to have an MI login account. This is the third step. So that you can create MI login account, easy step through by your phone number and mail address. You can verify that. Once you save changes, you can also link FB account, etc. So once you come into this page, you can go through it. This is the offers page where the 4 days offers will be visible over here, like top Diwali deals, Diwali best sellers, pick and choose, and 1 rupee flash sale. Here it is coming soon. It appears. It appears on time. After that, here is a 1 rupee flash sale, which we are eagerly waiting for it. It starts from 16th to 21st October, daily at 4 p.m. You can see here other deals too, which are available on the site right now. So let us see what is this extension about. Basically, FlipJob has many options like coupons, auto buy, auto coupon apply, and price graph, etc. Basically, what it does is once you install this extension, you can visit to any e-commerce site such as Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, etc. Then you can select any product on its description page, and then you can compare its prices from the FlipShop price graph feature, etc. In addition, you also get a lot of discounts and e-vouchers for the goods that you will further reduce the purchase price. Flipshop also has an auto buy feature which lets you automatically buy the items from the flash sale by setting the product you want to buy at the right time. You can also go into this extension to know about more about this extension. It was generally added product in seconds to your cart, and it is very easy to use. You can see all the features over here in this block. You can check here how the price graph option will work. So I'm just searching for a product. So for this product, we can check the price graph. So I clicked on the price graph option. It is showing top level at 23,000 and it is dipped at 20,000. So the maximum price is to fall to 20,000, 2,000 reduced. It showed on the notification on the Flipjob app. You can, so that you can immediately buy that product whenever there is a less price. This is the advantage of this extension also. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just grab the deals by installing the extensions and ready for the deals. Thank you. Thanks for watching.